Hi there, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to connect Facebook Pixel to Shopify, track every sale. Let's begin by understanding why connecting the Facebook Pixel to your Shopify store is such a vital step for your business. If you're managing an online shop through Shopify, tracking customer interactions like page views, add to cart actions, and actual purchases is crucial. This data not only helps you understand your audience better but also supercharges your advertising campaigns. By linking the Facebook Pixel, you gain access to powerful insights and can optimize your marketing strategies more effectively. So, let's dive into this beginner-friendly tutorial, where I'll guide you step by step on how to seamlessly integrate your Facebook or Meta Pixel with Shopify using Shopify's built-in Facebook and Instagram sales channel. By the time we're done, you'll have robust tracking capabilities set up across your store. This will empower you to better understand customer behavior and enhance your ad campaigns. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, look at the main menu on the left side and locate the Sales Channels option. If you haven't added Facebook and Instagram as a channel yet, simply click the plus sign to add them. Shopify has streamlined this process to make it as simple as possible, so you won't have to deal with any complex coding or technical setup. This is crucial because using Shopify's official channel ensures stability, and updates will roll out automatically, keeping everything running smoothly. Once you've successfully added the channels, open the Facebook and Instagram sales channel from your list. Now, navigate to the Settings area, and specifically look for something called Share Data Settings or Customer Data Sharing. The exact location might vary slightly due to Shopify updates, but it's always within the channel settings. This step is easy to overlook, but it's pivotal because it enables the data sharing that powers all your tracking. You'll find an option to enable data sharing, usually in the form of a toggle switch. Make sure to turn it on. What this does is allow Shopify to share key customer events like page views and purchases back to your Facebook Pixel. Don't be alarmed if you encounter a few options or confirmations, just ensure it's turned on and saved. Next, you'll need to choose your data sharing level, standard, enhanced, or maximum. Consider these options as different levels of insight. Standard provides basic tracking, while enhanced and maximum offer more detailed data for activities like retargeting ads and advanced reporting. If you're new to this and your customers' privacy is a top priority, standard might suffice. However, if you aim for robust analytics and powerful ad targeting, especially if you plan on scaling your campaigns, enhanced or maximum would be more beneficial. Take a moment to assess which option aligns best with your business needs, and remember, you can adjust this setting later if necessary. Moving forward, you'll reach the Select Pixel area. Here, you can choose one of your existing Facebook or Meta Pixels from the list. If you haven't set up a Pixel yet, there's a convenient link to create a new one directly from this screen. You'll need to log into your Facebook Business Manager and follow the guided steps to complete this process. Once you've made your selection, confirm your choice and save the settings. And that's it. Once you've saved everything, Shopify takes care of the rest. Your pixel will be automatically integrated throughout your store, covering crucial areas like the header, product pages, cart, checkout, and purchase confirmation. There's no need to manually insert additional code, and everything syncs instantaneously. You'll soon start seeing data feed into your Facebook Events Manager, which will help you optimize your ads and monitor how shoppers are interacting with your site. If you find any part of this process confusing, don't worry. Sometimes, settings might shift around as Shopify or Meta update their channels, but the core method remains consistent. If you encounter issues, the Shopify Help Center and community forums are excellent resources to explore. That's it for this tutorial on how to connect Facebook Pixel to Shopify, track every sale. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.